Here's the Roomba base. Here's the Roomba. I don't have a bag in there. Oops. But I'm going to show you, this is a brand new bag. Nothing in it. Put it in here. Close it. Okay, so now I'm going to plug in the Roomba. That's on section. As you can see, a little bit of dirt through there. It's going. Oh. You can see in there, kind of. That's it. It went through.